This is Moto Edge 50 Fusion smartphone, and this is one of the most hyped smartphone right now. And in this video I'll show you top 10 tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So if you have this smartphone or if you are even planning to purchase this phone, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. This phone have two notification center in this smartphone. So if you are bored with this one style, you can change it to the second one. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on home and lock screen. There you will see the option of control center. Click on this. The first one is classic style. By default this phone have this classic style, but if you want to change it to modern style, simply select the second one and then it will change your control center. As you can see, this one is more cool looking and more efficient as well. You can select any of the feature from here easily, and now that's how you can change from one notification style to second. Second feature is quick launch. So if I'm using my phone normally and immediately if I want to jump to my lock screen, I can simply double tap on the back of the phone and it will take me to my home screen. You can also select any of the action for this double tapping on the back. To enable this, simply go to your settings, scroll down and then click on gestures. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of quick launch. Click on this and then enable this. Now click on this setting icon. By default it is selected to back to home. You can select any of the action you want to launch. You can set a recorder, take a screenshot, screen recorder, and even you can set any app for this action. You can select your favorite application. For example, I use my Google TV a lot. If I will set it here, now whenever I will double tap on the back of the phone, it will automatically launch my Google TV. So with the help of this, you can easily open any application and also trigger any action by just double tapping on the back of the phone. Usually whenever we will change our phone, we will only change because of the battery issues. If you want to increase the lifespan of your battery, then you must enable the next feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on battery. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of optimized charging. Click on this, click on these arrow and then enable this and then click on OK. Now it will charge your phone up to 80% normally and then take a little extra time to charge your phone fully. So with the help of this, it will reduce overheating and extra pressure on the battery, and with that this will also increase your lifespan of your battery and efficiency as well. You can also turn on your flashlight by just shaking your phone like this, and also disable this by just shaking like this. By default this feature is enabled in the smartphone, but if you want to disable this, because sometimes it will automatically turn on your flashlight even when your phone is in your pocket, but if you want to disable this, then simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on gestures. Scroll down, there you will see the option of fast torch. Click on this and then disable this. Now it will not turn on or off your flashlight by shaking your smartphone. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch the voice assistant application instead of opening your power menu. If you want to change it to power menu, then simply go to your settings, click on gestures, and there you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this. By default it is selected to digital assistant. Select the power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this long pressing power button as digital assistant, now if you want to open your power menu, then simply press your power button and volume up button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. By default the double tapping on the lock screen to turn on and double tap on the home screen to lock your phone feature is not enabled in this smartphone. But if you want to enable this, then simply go to your settings and then click on home and lock screen. Click on lock screen. Now scroll down to the bottom, there you will see the option of jump to lock screen. Click on this and then enable this. Now come back and also click on this, put the display to sleep, and also enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and you can double tap on the locked screen, it will wake your screen up. In this smartphone you can easily read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc., and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings and then click on notifications. There you will see the option of notification history. Click on this and then enable this. Now it will automatically save all the notification that will come to your smartphone, and you can easily read it even after someone will delete it. So with the help of this, you can delete all the deleted messages from any social media application. There are two ways to quickly launch your camera application whenever you're using your smartphone. The first one is to double press your power button and then it will launch your camera application. So you can use this one action even if you are using any of the application. You can simply double press the power button, it will automatically launch your camera application. The second one is to twist your wrist like this 2 times and then it will launch your camera application. This one also works even if you are in any application. Simply twist your wrist like this twice and then it will launch your camera application. If you will try to take a screenshot by using your 3 fingers like this, then it will not click a screenshot, but there is a gesture by which you can click a screenshot. You have to use your 3 fingers and then tap on the display, then it will click a screenshot. So keep in mind, it doesn't work this scrolling feature with the 3 fingers. Just tap on the display by using 3 fingers, then it will click a screenshot. A lot of people are confused with this Moto Secure application in the smartphone. Let me show you how it actually works. If you will click on this secure folder and then set a password for this, you can set pattern, pin, etc. Here I select pattern, then confirm your pattern. Now with the help of this, you can clone any application and also hide any photos or videos from your gallery. You can also set fingerprint lock. Now if I will click on this plus icon and then click on add apps, then click on add app. Now select the application you want to clone. For example, I want to clone my YouTube application and then click on this right icon. Now app is added to the secure folder. The one is outside the secure folder, normally in your app drawer, and the second one is inside your Moto Secure folder. So this is like cloning your application but with a secured folder. You can also hide any photo or video. Click on this plus icon and then click on add files. Here select the file you want to hide and then select this move button and then click on OK. Now it will move your photo or video to this one files, not in your app drawer. So if you will open your app drawer and then open your files, then you will not find that specific file in this file manager. So that's how you can hide and clone any application with the help of this Moto Secure folder application. You can also fully customize this lock screen in the smartphone. Simply tap and hold on the lock screen and then click on personalize. Scroll down and there you will see the option of lock screen. Click on this. Here if you will click on this lock, then it will show different lock style. You can select your favorite one. It has also this temperature and other weather updates, and you can also set this one. This one also have these weather updates. Select your favorite one and then click on this cross icon. Here you can also change the notification style. Select this one. Here you have 3 different options: bubble, chip or list. Select your favorite one and click on this cross icon. Here you can also set different quick launch application on the lock screen. Let me show you how you can also edit this. Again, come to lock screen and then select this one. Here you can select your favorite application. Here I select Play Store, and on the right side you can select Chrome. After this, come back, and now whenever your phone is locked, it will show that specific clock style and that notification style, and also these 2 applications on the quick launch on the bottom of the screen. You can open these applications by just tapping and holding on the application. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this Moto Edge 50 Fusion smartphone. If you like this video, then let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.